gotten a few calls in reference to folks that have applied for jobs or got letters in the mail regarding warrants being outstanding for their arrest. A warrant, while it sounds like a really scary thing, and it can be depending on what charges this warrant is attached to, but basically a warrant is the judge wants to see you. That's all it is. The judge is telling the law enforcement official, get this person and bring them to me. Or they've been charged with the crime, get them, bring them into custody so that they can be arraigned on those charges. And so while it's a scary thing, it's not something that you should panic about up front. I know that's hard to hear sometimes, but you can't outrun a warrant. At some point, they're going to find you. They're going to hunt you down, and you don't want to deal with this marshal thing and being extradited back in because you fled to another state. The easiest thing you can do if you got a warrant for your arrest, one, you can go down to wherever the courthouse is that the warrant has been issued out of, depending on what the warrant is for. Put yourself on the calendar and come before the judge. That's what the warrant means. The judge wants to see you about something. You either been charged with a crime or something, and the judge needs to speak with you. So call the courthouse, put yourself on the calendar, or talk to the clerk there, the deputy clerk. They'll tell you what exactly you can do. Or you can take yourself down to the police department, turn yourself into the police department. They'll take you through the booking process, book you, send you to jail, and then within a certain amount of time, they have to get you in front of a judge. But the one thing that you don't do is run away from the warrant. You evading the warrant is not going to make the warrant go away. The best thing you can do if there's a criminal warrant out for your arrest is face it head on, deal with it, and get it taken care of. And so if you need help with that, I often tell people if there's a warrant out there, please call a lawyer quick. Before you do any of that stuff, call a lawyer, because a lawyer can walk you through the warrant process, can file a notice of appearance and address the warrant with the court for you. You're always going to be better off if you go in with competent counsel. And so call our law office. We're willing to help you. Call some competent attorney so we can get the warrant addressed, and you can move on with your life without that fear of walking out of Circle K and some cop doing a warrant check on you and throwing you in jail and you miss some important event in your life. So face it head on, call a lawyer, and let's address the warrant, find out what it's about, and get the warrant quashed so you can move on.